Hey, what's going on? All my homies, homettes, dudes, and dudettes. It's your boy Will and box time again. Let's see what we got here. Let's check it out. All right, so let's check it out. See what's in the box. What's in the box?
What's in the box?
Not till you give me
What's in the fucking box?
And hopefully it's something good. Let's see. Cut, 2 cuts, 3 cuts. Alrighty, let's see. Oh, I've been looking for this. It was sold out for a while, but this one is, I don't know if the name is on there, but it says Musa. I'll have the name down there. Black, and let's see, is the name on here? It's on there, but I'll have to peel the plastic off. Actually, it's looking a little dark, but I'll go ahead and crack into it. This is another box. Recently, I got another fragrance where it was open like this. It's not sealed with the whole plastic. Is that the way fragrances are coming nowadays? Somebody drop a comment down below and let me know if your fragrances have been coming like that, or is it just been certain ones that's coming like this? Get out of here. Alrighty. Alright, so here we go. Okay, so this is kind of like leather wrapped. It's like a faux leather. It's not like a real leather though. And there's the name. I'm not sure if that's coming in there. Top of Masuma. Not Masumum. Masumum. All right, and then fragrance. It sits in here, and this is kind of like a leather also, but it's probably a faux leather. Probably not real leather. Fragrance sits in there like that. That's kind of nice. That's pretty nice. I was thinking about getting the original one because I heard that was pretty good too, but I never ended up picking it up because I think I realized there was like a clone of something that I already had, or similar to something I already have. But this one is a nice looking bottle. Look at this. The glass is painted black, but you can see through it. I'm not sure if that's coming up clear because of the reflection of the camera, but you can see the stem reaching down there. There we go. You can see the stem reaching down there. And then the front has the name. Oh man, I'm getting a real glare, but it has the name, and then it has a snake wrapped around it, and the top feels like it's pretty plastic. Yeah, the top is plastic, but nice. I still like it. I don't have any spray strips. Where are my spray strips? Live video. You could tell I'm trying to be authentic and straightforward with you guys, not trying to ad lib. I know, but this is not really a super new fragrance. It's new, but it's not super new. Most of you guys probably have already smelt it, but let's see. Ooh, spicy and sweet. This is pretty nice. This smells like something that's going to be completely different on the skin. So I'm going to go right on the skin and see what it smells like. Let's change this around. A nice spread too. It's like a jet spray. A little bit of alcohol in the blast. Oh, but What is that? That smells like caramel. This is kind of nice and sweet. It smells like caramel or praline or chocolate. Like it smells like sweet, like it's making my mouth water, almost like syrupy sweet. I like this, but it has something in the background. I think it's like either something dark, like a leather or maybe even oud or maybe a tobacco. This is this is nice. This is nice. It's not like an everyday kind of fragrance. This probably get more so for the winter and the fall. But it smells really good. It smells like you probably could get compliments on it if you wear it correctly. But let me grab the notes. I'll be right back. All right, so I'm back in, and this fragrance, man, it's doing pretty good. I had it on for a minute, and I'm digging it. It's kind of gotten to like a it smells like a supple leather now. I'm not sure if leather is even in this, but no, I don't. It's not in here, but it smells like a leather, but a clean leather, a clean, sweet leather. Nice fragrance. All right, so let's just jump into the notes. For the notes, the top notes are lavender, nutmeg, sage, and bergamot. I kind of get the bergamot in, but the nutmeg is really what I'm catching a lot of, and I'm getting the freshness from the lavender also. Middle notes are cedarwood, geranium, rosifolia, maholi, mahonia, mahoniol. Not sure what that is. But it's like a complex, I guess, like a chemical combination. And then in the base notes, we have the Cocoa Pulse, which is their new note that they kind of created. This is the first fragrance that I have that has that Cocoa Pulse in it. Maybe that's what I'm getting when I'm smelling that sweet, almost like a um, like a cocoa butter kind of powder, like a cocoa butter powder smell to it. Smells really good, but it's in the base notes: cocoa pulse, tonka bean, maple, ambro fix, and patchouli. Ambro fix, I guess, is maybe something that's similar to ambroxan because it has a TM next to it, so maybe it's one of their fragrances, one of the notes that they came up with. Yeah, I think that's probably a note that Latava's come up with instead of just having ambroxan to have their fragrance smell a little bit different. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm about to drop everything. So yeah, smells good. I like it. And I'm not sure what the performance is of this, but I'm digging the bottle. I'm digging the fragrance. Look at the bottle. Oh, you can see the bottle a little bit better. Got some light now. So the detail on the snake is pretty wicked. Pretty nice. And now you can see how you can see through the bottle, I guess. But now I'm getting the fingerprints. And on the front, it has the name right there. All right. So yeah, new to the collection. This just came out. I think it just came out either the end of last year or the beginning of this year. Either end of 2025 or the beginning of 2026. So yeah, nice one. I have to wear it to see how it's going to perform and everything. But right now, I'm digging the way it smells. I'm pleased with it. All right. Thanks for hanging out with me. I appreciate your time. I know you could be anywhere else in the world, but you're here with me talking about the new Musamam Black. So it's your boy Will with the Will Report. Till next time, deuces.